Hello my dear students. Today we are going to start a new chapter of class 10th history. That is chapter number 10, Age of Industrialization. Beta, the chapter is very much important from the historical point of view because the chapter tells us all the developments took place in the field of industrialization and how it get spread. So, and it is interesting also. So, listen the chapter very carefully. Age of industrialization. You know, beta, age is the term used for the period of industrialization. Industrialization means it is a process. What is industrialization? It is a process in which the agricultural economy get transformed into a industrial economy. Now, what's the difference between both? In industrial economy, the production took place with the help of machine, and when you all know, when the production took place by the machine instead of the hand, then it will be in bulk. Okay, so in the chapter you study about the how the industrialization gets started and how it gets spread. Firstly, before starting the chapter, I want to tell you one important thing, that the process of industrialization is broadly divided into two phases. The first phase time period is from 1780s up to the 1850s. Okay, and the second phase is after 1850s. Beta, you all know that from which country the industrialization started? Industrial revolution came in Britain. From a very early classes you keep on studying this thing. Industrial revolution first came in Britain. So obviously during first phase the leading country was the Britain, while during the second phase of industrialization the leading countries were the Germany and the USA. Okay. Another thing, during the first phase of the industrialization, which started in Britain, the industries which established in the first phase was mainly the textile industry, and among the textile industry mainly the cotton industry. Okay. And second industries which developed during the first phase of the industrialization was the metal industry. And among the metal industries, mainly the coal and iron industry. Okay. And while in the second phase of industrialization, the industries which developed, or the leading industries, were the chemical industry, and another one was the electrical industries. Okay. Now once again, the industrial revolution consists of two phases. First phase time period from 1780s up to 1850s. Second phase after 1850s. Industrial revolution firstly came in Britain. So during the first phase the leading country was Britain, while during the second phase the leading countries were the Germany and USA. During the first phase of industrialization, the revolution came mainly in two industries. One is the textile industry, and among the textile industry mainly the cotton industry, and another was the metal industry, and among the metal industry coal and the iron industry. While during the second phase of the industrialization, the industries which took up the lead was, which were the leading industry were mainly the chemical industry and the electrical industries. Okay. So beta, in this chapter you are mainly going to study about the first phase of industrialization, when industrial revolution came in Britain and it gets spread up to rest of the part of the world. So beta, firstly I am going to tell you what mainly you are going to study in the chapter. So briefly I am going to discuss with you the topics which are there in the chapter. The first topic which we discuss, coming of industrial revolution in Britain. Okay. After that we discuss causes behind that. What were the causes because of which why industrial revolution came only in Britain, not in any other part of the world or in any other part of Europe. Okay. Another topic which we discussed was the period before the industrial revolution. That is the title means pro-industrialization. Okay. After that we discuss in the chapter how the industrial revolution, but the industrial revolution came in Britain and from there it spread to the European countries, and from these European countries it spread to the colonies of these European countries, and among the colony we mainly do the case study of the India, because you all know at that time India was the colony under the Britain. So we study how our industrial revolution came in India. Okay. Then after that at the end we discuss that what were the industrial development took place in India by the native people of India. Native people, the people who belong to India, like the Tata iron and steel industry, it was established during the time of the Britishers. All these things we will study. So this is a brief introduction of the chapter which you are going to study in the chapter. Okay. Now beta, firstly as I told you, we discuss about the causes of industrialization. Among causes of causes of industrial revolution. Peter, this question, this topic can also be asked in a way during the exam, that what were the reasons why industrial revolution firstly came in Britain. Okay. So the answer for both the questions will be the same. If the examiner is going to ask you what were the causes behind the industrial revolution or why the industrial revolution firstly came in Britain, okay, the answer will be the same. So now we discuss the causes one by one. Number one, the first cause was as I told you, it was the time period of 1780s. So it was also the time period when many inventions started to be taking place in Britain. So first cause was the new inventions. New inventions made by the people like James Watt, or Richard Arkwright, etc. Because of this invention. Okay. The second cause behind the industrial revolution was that during that time period there was a boom in the international market. Boom in the industrial market means demand of goods in international market. International market keep on increasing. Okay, this is the second cause behind the Industrial Revolution. Third reason was the availability of the raw material also. Availability of raw material for the industrial use. Fourth reason, you all know, for the establishment of any of the industry, you need raw material, you need capital. Capital means, beta, capital consists of the money which need to be invested for the development of the industry. Like you need a land, machine, all these things, and these things need a land and need a money to be done. So another, availability of capital for investment. Okay, and the last cause, in the last cause is the there was a huge market, availability of market also. Availability of market. Beta, for the any of the industry, we need capital, raw material. So same were the causes. And when the good get manufactured, it need a market. Why Britain was having a huge market for the sale of their good? Because at that time it was said that the sun of a British Empire never set. It means that the British Empire had a colony from east to the west. That's why Britain had a huge market for the sale of their goods. So all these are the causes behind the Industrial Revolution, or all these are the causes why the Industrial Revolution firstly came in Britain. Thank you all.